thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today I have a quick and easy craft for you. So for my wedding, I actually made my own bridal bouquets, and I used a bunch of different ribbon. I absolutely love ribbon. It certainly comes in a bunch of different colors of aqua, and I used white and then yellow buttons. So I'm going to show you how I made these real quick. I've got a whole bunch of different kinds of ribbon here, and I'm just going to go ahead and pick one. These are super simple. You're just going to go ahead and cut a whole bunch of ribbon, however long you want your flowers. I'm going to go ahead, cut right there. I'm making ribbon daisies, but there are a whole bunch of different flowers that you can make. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead, now that I measured the first one, I'm going to measure a whole bunch of ribbon that's the same size, and go ahead and cut a whole bunch of strips. You can measure it out if you want all of them the same. I don't mind them being different lengths or different size flowers. Just gonna go ahead. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me go ahead and do 6. Okay, now that I've got my ribbon cut, I'm going to go ahead and get some hot glue, and I'm going to put the two ends together and hot glue them. There we go. Make sure you don't burn yourself if it goes through the ribbon a little bit. Okay, now that we have all of these in a circle, I'm going to go ahead with a little bit of glue in the middle and push them down. Make sure they're right about even. All right, now that we've got all of our pieces put together, we get to go ahead and start gluing them even closer together. So go ahead, I'm going to start like that. And then you're just going to layer them on. And you could stop there, but I'm going to go ahead and add a few more. You can make them as full or as thin as you would like them. All right, what a beautiful ribbon flower that is. You can finish it off with any kind of button or bead, or if you have a little embellishment. I have a button, so I'm going to go ahead and just put a little button Combine two things I love, ribbon and buttons, and there you go. There's a beautiful ribbon flower. Depending on what kind of ribbon you have, you can make thinner ribbon, you can make thicker ribbon. There are some really pretty ones out there, and you can do this and put it on a garland. You could make a bunch of these flowers and put it on a little girl's, make a little headband with this. That would also be really, really cute. So the possibilities are endless. I hope you go ahead and make your own flower garden with some ribbon that you have sitting around. Thanks so much for watching.